Welcome back to another video where In the Game Main does something. I'm not sure if this is pre-recorded. If you're new, subscribe. Thank you. Yours truly, the moderator.
Alright, what up? I'm back. I got some new parts in. I recorded yesterday. Hated the way the footage came out. I'm just gonna show you what I did. I'll probably put in the clips. So I got the seat in and it came with the pan, obviously. Had to cut it up. Then the seat. So what's going on with the seat that my dad initially gave me, we're still working on the fender and stuff like that, but it's just not done. So I kind of want the bike somewhat finished on, you know, another level. So I'm gonna put the new parts on and see how it looks. That's what's going on with that seat. It's still not done. We don't have the CC bar done. The fender's not cut up. I'm just gonna continue with the bobber seat that I initially got until that's all done. Until then, I also got a new headlight and the mount that came with it. It's pretty nice. Way smaller than the other one, than the one that it came on it with. I'll show you. Like, look at the size comparison of them. Got the new light, looks really nice. Whoa, shit. Look at. It's a strong ass magnet. Got that. I got the blinkers, which, oh man, they look really nice. They're really cool. They're blacked out, so I got rear and front. And I also got the brake light, which I did wire within the footage. I'll show you. So the light obviously acts as a brake light, but there's also a license plate light in it as well. All right, so I spent a while on the brake light, and I mean, it works. Like I said, I already have the seat cut up, and I'm gonna install it just for right now until, you know, I get the new seat on, the new to me. But this has like never been sat on. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, by the way. Christmas passed. Right now it's New Year's Eve. It's like 6. I don't really have anything going on, so the bike it is, I'm building. That bad boy in there. Oh yeah, I just gotta bolt it in. But yeah, it flips up. It's really nice. Ugh. You can't tell me that doesn't look cool. Oh man, you'd be lying. Oh shit. Dude, that looks fucking insane. Damn, I like that. What's nice too is that the seat's pretty easy to put together. I just gotta tighten it, and then 2 bolts go right here, bam bam, kind of lock everything in. I really didn't like the idea of not having a rear fender, but man, it just looks so cool. I see why people do it. Now the seat, I don't know how comfortable it's gonna be. Oh my god, dude, this is so tedious. Ah, my finger's stuck. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm turning it like a half thread, like not even a quarter of a thread at a time. Damn. All right. Actually comfy. It's very like jiggly, or like that's weird. Bam! Woo! Next on the agenda is the blinkers. Scratch that. I want to do the headlight first. All right, so the headlights, what the fuck are these? Came with like these little like arm things. I don't know if they're gonna really do well fitting around that. All right, here's another hard part is I gotta get this all up in there. So these wires are for the blinkers. Nice. Yeah. So I came up with a way to get this on here. I got drill bits because I'm gonna drill into the housing, because if you can see, there's a place where I can put a screw right here. So I'm thinking just probably drill it, probably have it up more. Drill right, yeah, like right there. All right, yeah, so somewhere like right here will probably do. Close to the top. So I'm gonna mark it. Probably like, and another thing I bought is extractors for the snapped bolt by the suspension. Oh man, this thing sucks. Oh yeah, baby. So what I want to do is try to get this gasket in here. Oh, damn. Whoa. Doesn't help that this drill sucks ass. Dude, it's so close. There we go. Oh. Got it. Dude, that looks professional. Oh shit. That looks good. All right, time to put all this shit back. All right, so I got the bolt. This little washer thing goes right in that rubber bushing. Oh yeah, that's on there. That ain't going nowhere. Oh man, dude, that looks fire. So this is kind of the visual of what it looks like, or what it's going to look like. Oh man, that's like perfect. Is that on the bottom? All right, so I got the blinkers. Oop, probably should see them. This right here is the wiring diagram. Buddy, it just goes, oh man. That's, oh, like a fucking glove. Dude, that shit, you can't even make that up, dude. I mean, I'm stoked. I mean, look at that. That is just like so meant to be. It's not even funny. Oh, baby. I don't think the blinkers are working because I don't think the other ones are set up in the front. And so for the headlights, they're just gonna go in on the side right here, right where these wires are popping out. And I could probably test fit them real quick. Get this off. Oh yeah, that fits good. I think that's gonna do it for me for tonight. It's New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, all that jazz. But I'm gonna get back on it tomorrow, so we'll see you till then. All right, Happy New Year's. Haven't seen this bike nor touched it since last year. Anyways, I'm really excited to work on this thing. All right, so I got the diagram for left and right, figured out which one was left and right. I'm just wiring everything up, so I know for a fact everything works, it's running good, etc. So yeah, let's get putting these wires in. All right. None of the wires in the back are touching. Nice. All right, so I got them in, they're working good. I'm gonna continue figuring out why the back brakes won't work, but I'm gonna end the video off here. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. All right, love you.